I make over $1,000 a day using ChatGPT, and guess what? It's not rocket science. I'm about to show you exactly how you can do the same, step by step, even if you have no clue where to start. Here's the thing, most people think you need to be some kind of expert or have tons of experience to make money online, but that is not true. To do this, you don't need a fancy computer, a special degree, or any of that stuff. All you need is a little bit of time, some basic tools, and the willingness to take action. So let me walk you through it. Step 1. You're going to need something to sell. Now, before you panic, hear me out. This could be anything. You can sell your own products or services. Or, if you're not into that yet, you can sell other people's stuff through affiliate marketing. But you have to pick something. Don't overthink this. Let's say you decide to sell a product like an online course. Or maybe you're into the fitness space and you want to sell workout plans. The beauty of doing this with ChatGPT is that you don't even need to create everything yourself. You can use ChatGPT to generate content, emails, social media posts, ads, you name it. To identify profitable markets using ChatGPT and social media, start by paying attention to trends. If you notice certain topics or niches getting a lot of attention, whether it's videos with millions of views or posts getting tons of likes and shares, that's a huge sign there's demand. ChatGPT can help you dive deeper by summarizing articles, gathering data, or even giving you ideas for content that's already performing well. Just by observing what people are engaging with on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, you can get a sense of what's hot right now. If people are talking about it, searching for it, or clicking on it, then chances are there's an audience ready to buy or engage with what you offer. You don't have to guess. Let the data and trends guide you to profitable markets. Successful entrepreneurs make decisions based on facts, data, not emotions. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why, to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description, and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Step 2. You need to set up a way to make money from that product. This is where a sales funnel comes in. Now, I know sales funnel sounds a little technical, but it's really just a fancy word for a process that turns strangers into customers. It's like setting up a little shop online, but without needing the physical store or the hundreds of thousands of dollars in startup capital. So let's break it down. When you set up a sales funnel, it's like building a chain. You start with a hook, something that grabs people's attention. Maybe it's what we call a freebie or a discount. People love free stuff. Once they take that free offer, you guide them through a series of steps that eventually lead them to buy something from you. It's like taking them by the hand and walking them down to the checkout page. Now, don't stress if you're not techie. You don't have to build a funnel from scratch. You can use templates. For example, if you use System.io, they have lots of templates that you can use to build funnels. And they even have a free plan. You don't need to spend hours or days doing it. You can get it up and running in less than an hour. Step 3. Let's talk about traffic. You can have the best product, the best funnel, and the best everything, but if no one sees it, you're not going to make any money. So how do you get people to find your stuff? This is where ChatGPT comes in again. You use it to create content that drives traffic. Let's say you're in the fitness niche. You can use ChatGPT to create social media posts or blog articles that draw people in. You can even write scripts for YouTube videos or Facebook ads. Now, here's the key: consistency. You're going to want to post content regularly. ChatGPT can help you generate content quickly. Imagine writing 10 Instagram posts in 5 minutes, or creating a week's worth of YouTube videos in one afternoon. That is what ChatGPT does for you. Step 4. Automate everything. This is the real magic. The best part is, once you've set up everything, your product, your funnel, your traffic, ChatGPT can help you automate the rest. So you can use ChatGPT to write your emails, follow up with leads, or even close sales for you. Once the systems are in place, the money just starts rolling in. And the best part is, you're not glued to your computer all day. You can be on vacation or hanging out with your friends, and it's still working for you. But how do you make money from all of this? Let's say you're doing affiliate marketing. You partner with companies, and when someone buys their product through your link, you get a commission. This is where it gets interesting. If you set up a solid funnel and use ChatGPT to drive traffic, those affiliate commissions start to really scale up. I'm talking hundreds of dollars a day consistently. But if you're selling your own products, that is where the real money is, because the commissions are all yours, 100% of it. And trust me, it all adds up. All you need to do is to send traffic to your funnel, and then you let the automation and ChatGPT do the rest. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10k per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Step 5. Focus on scaling. This is where the magic really happens. Once you're making consistent sales, it's time to scale. Now, you might think this means you have to work harder, but that's not the case. It means you work smarter. Scaling is all about doing more of what works. If you find that certain types of content perform really well, keep doing that. Keep using ChatGPT to create more of it. If a certain product is selling really well, keep pushing that one. And if your sales funnel is converting, don't stop sending traffic to it. Send more. The more you refine and repeat what works, the bigger your income will grow. But here's the catch. Most people give up too soon. They try something, and when it doesn't work immediately, they quit. Don't be that person. You've got to give it time. The more content you create, the more people see your stuff. And the more people see your stuff, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. And here's something else to keep in mind. There are tons of ways to make money with ChatGPT, and it's not just limited to affiliate marketing or selling your own stuff. You can also offer services. For example, you can use ChatGPT to write blog posts or social media content for other businesses. You can even set up funnels for other people. There are lots of businesses out there that don't know how to do this on their own, and they won't pay you to do it for them. Here's the trick. You're not just using ChatGPT to help yourself. You're using it to help others too. And that's how you really start stacking up the cash. But I get it. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. You might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I don't know where to start. Well, let me tell you this. Start with what you know. If you're passionate about something, that is your niche. If you love cooking, start a food blog. If you're into fitness, start creating workout plans. And then just use ChatGPT to create content around it. Once you've got that, build your funnel and start driving traffic to it. It's really that simple. Now, here's another trick that a lot of people don't realize. You can repurpose your content in a ton of different ways. Let's say you make a blog post, right? You can use ChatGPT to turn that blog post into social media captions, a YouTube video script, an email series, and more. So one piece of content can work for multiple platforms, and you don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you create something new. This saves you time and lets you get more out of your content without having to work harder. And remember, it's all about consistency. The more you show up, the better your chances of success. At the end of the day, ChatGPT is just a tool. It's not going to do all of the work for you, but it can help you move a lot faster. And if you're serious about making money, that is exactly what you need. That's how I make $1,000 a day and more using ChatGPT. It's all about choosing a product or service, setting up a sales funnel, driving traffic, automating the process, and scaling. You don't have to be an expert or work 24/7. You just have to be consistent, use the right tools, and take action. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. It's going to take some work, but if you're willing to put in the effort, this system can change your life. Trust me, it works. It's not only changed my life, but also the lives of dozens of my customers from all over the world. You have to give it a shot. And hey, if I can do it, so can you.